Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the link below. Thank you so much. First of all, before I start this particular this video, I want to really thank the ALC team and Della and Google putting up this program for us. It's been a wonderful program. I had a wonderful boost on my skills. They really put our skills to test, and I must say it's really cool for me. I'm looking forward to more challenges like this that will boost our skill, that will bring out the best in us, that will put us in the forefront of being a world-class developer. And I love what they are doing. Great team guys, great work for you guys. Kudos for you guys, you're doing a great job. So Luhn function was one of the functions that it was, although initially it was looking tough, was looking like a headache, but at the end thereof it was just about taking time to read the question over and over. I read it like 5 times or so, then I grasped the whole concept. It's clear, the direction is clear. So now let's look at it. Now it said given a series of up to 16 digits from right to left, double every other digit starting with the second to last digit. Now if you look at it, it's a 16-digit character. Now based on 0 index on the array, it moves from 0 to 15. So that means 1 to 15 already is 15 plus 0 inclusive, you have 16 digits. Now it's telling us to move from second to the last digit. In this example, the second to last digit is 1. It's the one with the asterisk. So that means in this array we're starting from here to count. So looking at this array or in the notes of our 16-digit character, you notice that 15, index 15 would be actually the last. Even this one, there are 4 elements, so index 3 is actually the last. So that means it's actually the even index we are considering adding. Now you notice in the next array, the result array will give you 2, 7, 7, 4. That means these guys, the even index, are being added. So the second one said if when you add this number, right, it's greater than 9. That means there's a possibility you can have 9 as one of the index, you can have 12, you can have 8, you can have 7, you can have 5. So when you double 5, you get 10. But the question here is if the statement here is if you add and it's greater than 9, you should either split this number into 2 and add them. So 1 plus 8 gives you 9, or you subtract 9 from it. It's as simple as that. So if you have 10, you do 10 minus 9, or 1 plus 0. If you have 12, you say 12 minus 9, which gives you 3, or 1 plus 2, which gives you 3. So the final stage is when you now do this, you get the resulting array, you sum all of them, and when you have the final answer, you divide it by 10. If it's divisible by 10, that means if you do a modulus of 10 and it remains 0, you have a valid card in your hands. But if it is not, invalid card. So let's look at the solution. We have total declared, sum of odd card number, you can say index card blah blah blah, sum of even card number. So you loop through the digits lengths. Now this is an array, you loop through it, so you can use a for each if you want. I use the for loop here. So if this first index modulus 2 is exactly equals to 2, so it's going to return a true or false. So you say, let's say the first index is 0 modulus 2, is it equals to 0? So it returns a true. So if it's true, it looks through this. It said, let's say the digit on that particular position was 2, right? So he said 2 times 2 gives you 4. Is 4 greater than 9? No. So he comes here and said sum even card plus equals to 2 times 2, which returns the 4. So 4 plus the initial value of some card number was 0, so you have 0 plus 4. And if the next digit is the odd, falls under the odd index, is not divisible by 2, it comes here and adds it to the odd card number. I believe that is clear. The process repeats over and over again. And the next thing you have, you add both of them together, you test. Is it divisible by 10? It returns either true or false. Clear? So if you have, at the end of the day, you have 78, you divide divisible modulus 10 is equals to 0. So you have a false in your hand. If it's 70, you have a true. So it returns true or false here, either way. So that's basically for Luhn function. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, and thumbs up.